Go.
Okay, this is area part 3. Now this is where it gets a slight bit more difficult, but I know you guys can do it. The question asks, what's the area of the shaded figure? You might be thinking, hey, I thought we were doing triangles. Well, we are, but you've got to think deeper about this. I do see a triangle. It is right there. I do see a trapezoid, which basically we're going to have to find the area for. This is a multi-step problem, but you can do this. First off, you want to look at this figure as one big rectangle. And if I were to just take it to the side and show you, that would be the 10 meters times the 8 meters. Just like the rectangle. You want to find that area first. Find the area of the whole piece first. Area is length times width. I have a length of 10 and a width of 8. So I have 10 meters times 8 meters, which is going to give me a grand total of 80 meters squared. Now we're going to hold on to this and just keep it to the side. Now I'm going to focus on the triangle part. But there's something tricky here. Down here we see that from this point to this point, it is 6 meters long. So I'm going to have to find out, and this goes all the way back to chapter 2, what is it from this point to this point? Well, if I look along my parallel line at the top, I see 10 meters. So 10 minus 6 would make this 4 meters, because 4 meters and 6 meters gives me a total of 10 meters. I now have my base for my triangle. Since I have another pair of parallel lines, here and here, if this is 8 meters, then this side must be 8 meters. This is where the fun begins. I'm going to find out the area of this triangle. So area, as we remember, is 1/2 base times height. The area will be 1/2 base is 4 meters times the height of 8 meters. That would give me 1/2 32 meters squared. Now half of 32 should be 1/2, 16 meters squared. Now 16 meters squared represents the triangle. But since we're only looking for the shaded part, I must subtract back out. So I'm going to take my 80 meters squared, which is actually the entire rectangle. I'm going to subtract out my 16 meters squared, which would be my triangle. And knowing what I know for all those years, the shaded part is 64 meters squared.